Elite UG or PG?
UG.
What was the overall difficulty level?
I think the paper was easy. Little bit of questions around. I think dozen of questions were difficult. Otherwise, the whole paper was easy.
And which was the most challenging section?
I think logical section this time was good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, also the GK section was the question in GK section were different from previous year questions. So I would say GK this year was little bit tricky.
Okay. So which was the easiest one?
I think English, definitely English.
Coming to the toughest one, I mean, which one did you find toughest?
I think GK.
GK was toughest.
Yeah.
So I mean, what type of questions were asked in GK?
Basically, what we prepared from the newspaper, magazines, all the questions were most of it kind of not directly stated, indirectly stated in a very minute questions.
Okay. And cutoff that you are expecting this year?
I think around 90 to 100.
Okay. So Nikita, which exam did you appear for? Elite, UG or PG?
UG.
UG. So what was the overall difficulty level?
It was more than moderate. I think I won't say it was easy or moderate. It was tough, but like some questions were like you had to manage your time. उस पे depend करता है. बस वरना सारे type के questions थे.
And which was the most challenging section?
Most challenging, I think GK.
GK.
There were questions from 2003.
So can you recall some of the questions?
Yeah, there was one question that MS Dhoni was playing for which team before Chennai Super Kings. Like besides Chennai Super Kings, which else team has he played for? I don't know that.
Oh, that was Pune.
Pune? Okay,
Yeah.
I did not do that.
So,
Because
and
अब
which was
Pune
the
की team है नहीं.
easiest section?
Easiest, I think logical was nice. The alphabetical questions were easy.
And the toughest?
That was GK.
Okay. And what was the difficulty level of English?
English was moderate.
Okay. And what cutoff you are expecting? Is it should be more or less this time?
Cutoff, I don't know. I don't know how others have done it.
Okay.
My name is Deshraj Meena. I'm from class 12th. This is my first attempt. So the paper is moderate, not so hard, not much easy, but some tricky like questions are
Were
coming in the
there.
exam. And
So
moderate
which was
paper-
the most challenging section?
most challenging is logical. Logical section is too much challenging actually, and English is easy to moderate, and GK is also moderate to difficult. But logical is too tricky.
Can you recall some of the questions?
Syllogism questions are coming.
And which was the easiest you found?
Easiest, I think GK and English are easiest.
Easy.
Logical
And which
is
was toughest?
not
Okay.
toughest, but tricky. Some tricky,
Tricky questions
are
were there. And what was the difficulty level of English?
Difficulty, moderate to difficult level is there.
English also? And cutoff that you are expecting? What
Cut
kind
off,
of?
I think 80 to 85.
First is which paper did you appear for, UG or PG?
So I just appeared for the ALET UG paper, that is for NLU Delhi.
Okay. And what was the overall difficulty level?
It was similar to last year. Some questions were a little more tricky, but overall it was a very balanced paper, so it was nice, moderate.
And which were the most challenging section?
I would have to say GK and a few questions in logic, like 2 or 3 questions in logic were a little tricky and challenging, but all in all it was moderate, not
And which was the easiest section?
English, definitely.
Okay. So can you recall some of the questions?
I think one of the questions that came from GK was about the Olympics. As far as I remember, a lot of analogy questions in logic and a lot of assumption and argument strengthening, weakening questions in logic. English was pretty normal, so yeah, RTC type questions in English. So it was pretty nice.
Okay. And the cutoff that you were expecting?
So I feel the cutoff should be similar to last year because the difficulty did not really differ in comparison to last year. So I'd have to say about 100 to 110 marks would be the ideal cutoff, I think. But yeah, that's that.
मेरा नाम प्रियांक अग्रवाल है.
Okay, Priyank, so which exam did you appear for, UG or PG?
UG कोर्स.
Okay, and what was the overall difficulty level of the exam?
इजी टू मॉडरेट था, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था. पिछले साल जैसे ही आया था पेपर.
Okay, and which was the most challenging section?
जीके ही था क्योंकि इंग्लिश और लॉजिकल जो एक्सपेक्टेड था वैसे ही आया. जीके में थोड़े से क्वेश्चन एक दो ऐसे थे बस.
Okay, and can you recall some of the questions?
जीके में थोड़े डेट्स एंड इवेंट टाइप्स थे. ओलंपिक से क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे और यूएन से पूछे गए थे.
And which was the easiest section?
इंग्लिश.
Okay, and toughest one?
जीके
Was it good? Questions were good in English?
क्वेश्चंस ऑफ गुड, पैसेज लेंथी नहीं थे और केवल एक दो क्वेश्चन ही थे जो ट्रिकी से थे, बाकी आसान था पेपर.
Okay, and the cutoff that you are expecting?
कुछ भी हो सकता है वो तो.
Okay.
So I am Akshay Suryavanshi and I am from Delhi.
Okay.
And the exam, I can say it was on the moderate side, and having attempts on the number upwards of 100 would be very good if you
And
want to secure a seat at
how
NLU.
was
Then
the overall difficulty level?
overall difficulty level would be moderate.
Okay. So you appeared for A-Late UG or PG?
UG.
UG. And which was the most challenging section?
The most challenging section, I would say, it was logical because it was full of different kinds of puzzles.
Okay. Can you recall some of the questions?
Some of the questions would mostly be on syllogisms and coding and decoding.
Okay. And which was the easiest section?
Easiest section would be GK.
And toughest one?
Toughest one would be logical.
And what type of questions were asked in GK and current affairs?
It was mostly on current affairs, on recent events that were in the news most of the time.
Okay.
So because of that, it was easy.
And what was the difficulty level of English?
English was on the easier to moderate side.
Okay. And what cutoff you are expecting?
It should be on 90 to 95.
It should be more or less compared to last year?
Should be less.
Okay.